In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a form after submitting it in Google Forms. This should be a quick and easy process video. The first thing you need to do is check if your form allows editing after submitting it. Go to the Settings tab, which is located at the top, and make sure Make This a Quiz is turned on. Then scroll down until you find the Responses tab, then click on the arrow beside it. If you scroll down, you can see that Allow Response Editing is not turned on. Go ahead and turn it on by clicking this button. Now, if someone submits a response to your form, they can edit it right after submitting it. Let's go ahead and test this. I'm going to copy the form link and paste it in a new tab. Let's say, for example, someone chooses these answers and then clicks on Submit. Click on Submit, and you can see that they can edit their response. If they click on Edit Your Response, they can go back, make changes, and submit it again. As you can see, this was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.